Alright, so here's a quick demo. I have some Python code running here, and it's running a Flask server that clients can connect to. And this Python code, as it's running, I think I'm not actually showing any debug output, so you can't see it, but it is currently operating a camera. Actually, the camera is probably off until the first user connects, but I'm going to connect a user and then we'll see. Now the camera's on. Could put these all in one circuit, but I put them on separate circuits so I can separate them later and play with them. Imagine each of these is an LED tied to a vehicle that's driving around, boop, 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 like this, but just I'm putting them here for ease of use, like this. And so this camera is looking right at them. Now, connected to my Flask server, I have a client, and I can have any number of clients. But this client is a Unity application, and the Unity application is streaming the current video from the camera, and it's also taking, I'm blocking, hold on. Okay. It's also taking the video feed data, which has been parsed in OpenCV, and pointing out where the players are, yellow player, blue player, red player. So I'm using these colored LEDs to track the player positions on the field. I can move it around like this, and you can imagine that these LEDs are going to be on the players as they drive around, and like the cover up, it goes away. Drives around, and it'll say this is a red player, and then maybe blue player shoots something at the red player, and I use the position of the blue player and position of the red player to determine if there was a hit. And note that I'll probably also need into account the orientation of the players, which I haven't quite thought about yet. It might require multiple LEDs. But right now, anyway, I'm tracking the positions in real time, pretty fast updates. I could make it faster, but right now I think it's at 5 FPS, which is not that much a load over the network. It's still a local area network. I've yet to see how it'll perform in IRL over the world internet, but maybe you can help me test it sometime soon. I don't know. I still have yet to wire in anything actually for over the radio, but from the Unity application I do have some buttons wired up, and they are sending commands back to the Python script, but right now it doesn't really do anything here. It's just sort of for fun. But once I hook up the Arduino thing, then sending commands on the keyboard will go through Unity to Python. Python will relay the commands to the Arduinos over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and then they will carry out those commands, and you will see it on your screen as they change because they'll behave differently. Okay, that's all for now.